Man, it's all financial companies or banks and therapeutics today. What a day. I mean, COVID notwithstanding, it's been trading almost flat for the last 5 years. Aside from this, it came up from 12 up to 17 back in 2016. Wow, I wonder what this sharp drop and then comeback up is. Then again, it's not unusual to see things like that in a company that is does not have active volume like this. These are really nice year-over-year numbers, though. Revenue increases, earnings increases. Kind of reflects in the quarterly chart also, although not so much revenue increases, but earnings increases. That's interesting. Seems like maybe they're cutting expenses, perhaps. Provides a range of commercial banking to customers in Ohio, Indiana, and Michigan. Wall Street expects earnings growth, and they got earnings growth. Yeah, let me read about earnings real quick, because I want to know if they maybe attribute that increase in earnings to something, such as cutting costs, perhaps. Quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 15.25%. A quarter ago was expected this company would post blah, 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 blah. Sustainability of the stock's immediate price movement based on the recently released numbers and future earnings expectations will most likely depend on company's management and management's commentary in the earnings call. Enjoyed a 72% share price gain. Well, yes, yeah, since COVID maybe, but then again, everything did. You can literally put the name of probably 80% of the companies in the market right here, and the title would still make sense. Of course, it's simply Wall Street, because they just put out. Never mind. I don't know. There's not really much else I want to look at here. I just want to say I like it and I'd be willing to give it a buy. I'm just kind of fishing for reasons to not give it a buy now. They even pay a dividend. That's a nice bonus. So if you buy it and it ends up sitting, and if it ends up going nowhere, you can at least collect those dividends. Riverview, that's not this. No, that's not this. Our hedge fund's right about this stock. I kind of want to see. Let's see what conversation this has to say. I think this is a sleeper too. I kind of agree. Oh my God, no! Tomorrow you see a rocket. Take a look at some numbers real quick. It's a respectable PE. It's a respectable PE. Forward PE is higher, though? That's very, That is very, Interesting book value. That's surprisingly high. not too sure what else I want to look at. Oh, I spent too much time looking at the numbers. Oh well. You know what? I think I'm still comfortable giving this a buy. I saw things I liked. Well, I saw things that I liked, and well, actually, yeah. I saw things I liked. I didn't see anything that I didn't like. Well, okay, well, what I was gonna say, I'm trying to think of how to word this. I saw things I like, and normally it was those things, maybe combined with some other good things that would warrant me giving this a buy. Okay, otherwise I would usually be more on the fence, maybe give this a hold. But going off of that, I want to give this a buy because I saw those things, and not because I saw other things that I liked, but because I didn't see things that I didn't like. If that makes sense. Which, it's kind of the same thing, you know, when you think about it. Just don't think about it too hard.